In
What's
this
up,
video,
guys?
I'm gonna show you how to delete the cache on Google Chrome. So the first thing that we need to do is to click on these three dots. Then we are going to scroll down till we see settings. We're gonna click on settings. Next step is to go to privacy and security. And then you have an option right here that you can delete browsing data. So you can select the time range, last hour, 24 hours, or all time. You can choose what to delete, for example, browsing history or cookies or other cached image files. And to delete the data, all you have to do is to click on this button, delete data. I'm not gonna delete it for now, but this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye bye.